Hello. Welcome to my channel. On this channel I will show you a lot of different jobs that you can do online. There are a lot of jobs, with or without experience. From taking surveys, virtual assistant, dropshipping, affiliate and more. I am certified internet affiliate marketer, and I will teach you how to be one. Subscribe, like, comment and share this video. The print-on-demand way. For many it's the ultimate goal, to make a living by working from home. Armed with a laptop and a desire to be your own boss, with the right help, support, and desire, you really can make a living without a job. So long as you get some basics right, put in the time and effort, you could be selling items from your online store in a matter of hours. Opening an e-commerce store is a proven way to earn money online. For many people, it becomes a way to make a living, and it's also easy to give it a try. You can launch your first store for less than $100. Why print-on-demand, POD, is the perfect way to make a living from home. There are multiple reasons why you might want to make a living from home. For some, it's about spending more time with young children. For others it's about creating a living without a 9-to-5 job. Whatever the reason, POD provides all the tools to make a successful business. You're the master of your own time. For any business owner, the hours you put in very often outweigh those that you would have in a normal job. There is a big difference, however, you're working on your own time. There are no hours to be logged, no minimum hour contracts. You are the master of your own time. Create your own brand from your living room. With almost no startup costs, creating your brand from home is one of the most rewarding ways to make a living. There is no inventory to hold. You can change and update designs with the click of a few buttons. All you need is your laptop or smartphone. What is POD? In a nutshell, print-on-demand is an online business model where you outsource your production and shipping processes to a manufacturer of e-commerce goods. You sell products that are printed on blank t-shirts, mugs, bags and other merch. You upload your images to your partner's app, add the product to your web store, and split the profits for every sale. Let's say you pay $9 for a t-shirt with your custom design on it. You list it on your website for $25. Someone buys it, your printing partner receives an order and fulfills it. You sold it for $25, paid $9 to the supplier and earned $16. Simple, isn't it? The best part is that you only have to pay for what you sold, which means little to no capital risk. Also, you don't need to worry about your inventory space or shipping. You can focus on growing your business to help you make a living without a job. In the next video I will show you the pros and the cons of POD. How to make a living with POD, which niche to choose, how to set up a website and design. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share this video.